What's going on, guys? Andrew back again with another watch list, of course, just like we're doing every day. First, we're going to start off with the review. Neo, it's just consolidating right now. It looks like it's going to be forming a bull pennant here. And once we break out of 45.33, I think is when we're going to break out to almost 48. So nothing else going on here other than just waiting for it to break out of this range. And of course, the bottom is going to be 43.86. Other than that, you'd want to get out. So our ticker from our watch list yesterday, which was SE, had a nice little move today. It's up a decent amount, and we also almost tested 198, which was really good. So our next target is going to be 203.55, and this might take a couple days to hit. As long as we hold this downtrend, this bottom trend line, it's going to be a really good play. I think we can test all-time highs pretty soon. DraftKings, which we talked about yesterday, just absolutely killing it. Just been on a huge run. I wouldn't get into this if I were you because it just ran so much and the risk to reward ratio is not there anymore. 55.84 is going to be a huge resistance. As we come back here, it's going to be this support, which is now going to act as resistance as long as this over here and this right here. So I wouldn't get in. The move has already been made. And probably the best play so far from the watch list here is Lululemon. It absolutely killed it today. It was up almost 6%. And so now it's reaching this 383.68 level, which has been a big resistance, as you can see from back here. But once we can break through that, I would expect 400. I wouldn't expect anything less. And it looks really nice. As you can see, we're getting volume right here, but I do expect us to consolidate a little bit because we've been running a lot recently and it needs a little bit of consolidation in order to continue to run up to 400. And so my watch list for today is going to be JPM. It looks super good. As you can see, it's got this rising triangle pattern set up with the multiple touches on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 resistance, which is going to be the key level I want to break. And we're also at an optimal entry here because we're right next to this bottom trend line. So it's definitely looking like a great setup. We also see some decreasing volume here, which is good when we're in these consolidation phases. And we want to see increasing volume if we try to break this 1, 2, 3, 4 level. And our next resistance is going to be this 132-ish area. That's old support acting as resistance now. So that's going to be my target for this play. And it looks like a super good entry as banks have been thriving recently, and it's forming a really nice rising triangle, which looks super good with the volume. And that's going to be it for today's video. Our watch lists have been killing it so far this week. We've had AMD, DraftKings, Lulu, Neo, all those plays have been killing it. So if you guys have made some money, or if you guys see that we're actually making some really good plays out here, don't be afraid to subscribe. It definitely helps me out a lot. I appreciate all the support recently, and I'm going to keep making these watch list videos. All right, guys. Peace.